Hello, little artists! Today we're drawing Hello Kitty together. Now, let's draw a half oval right here. Great job! Now, let's draw her left ear. And now, her cute head. Later we can add some little flowers here too. Her right ear is hiding behind. Now let's draw the other ear together. Next, let's add Hello Kitty's whiskers. Now we can finish her eyes. And right in the middle of her face, let's draw a tiny little nose. Yay! Hello Kitty's head is finished. Let's start drawing Hello Kitty's body. Her cute dress is very easy to draw. Just follow my lines. And now we're drawing her arms. Let's draw a paint palette in her right hand. First, we make it oval. And now we make it small oval more. And now it's a paint palette. Now let's draw a paintbrush in her left hand. Great job! And now let's draw Hello Kitty's legs. Now it's time to decorate her dress and head. Let's draw a cute little heart here. And now let's add some little flowers. Let's draw a flower on her head too. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching, little artists. See you in the next drawing adventure. Bye bye.